Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel, and I want to introduce you to the 13 Super Sport Boston Whaler 2020. These boats are so universal, great for cruising, water sports, fishing. You could trailer the boat, beach the boat. Just very durable, made to last a lifetime, and they certainly do. This is what started the company 61 years ago. The 13 Super Sport Boston Whaler has a 40 horsepower four-stroke, stainless steel ladder, little storage compartment in the helm, and you do have an optional sun pad, a cooler with a cooler seat. There's some additional types of seating you can get. For more information on the 13 Super Sport Boston Whaler 2020, please call Keith at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.